The ongoing exchanging volume of torrential slide certainly is at $113,662,906 in every way that really matters, large way. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in an unpretentious manner. Avax United States dollar medium-term support really remained at $13.68 in every practical sense, significant way. Torrential slides EMA10, in every practical sense, shows an all things considered, descending pattern in a kind of significant way. 13 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for the following week and generally attempt to answer these as often as possible. Generally clarified some things, facts. What certainly is extremely transient cost expectation for torrential slide, in a real sense, is Avax an excellent venture. Really in spite of prevalent thinking, torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Avax specialized examination, let us discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which in a real sense, shows that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the for the most part whole digital currency market to $1,190,985,483,416 in a by and large enormous manner. The kind of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $31,315,169,849, exhibiting that however prior to jumping kind of profound into the Avax specialized investigation, explicitly let us in every practical sense discuss the extremely current economic situations, which truly shows that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%. In a for the most part significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level, after a decay of 0.29%, which in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a value decline of 0.24%. Coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value diminishing of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time period, exhibiting that Avax United States dollar medium-term support truly remained at $13.68 in a sort of huge manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.1 and as of now exchanging at 47 cents. Pretty further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span, showing that Avax United States dollar medium-term support in a real sense remained at $13.68, which really is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is very huge. These occasions basically show that the market certainly is going in an especially descending heading for genuinely present moment, which generally is genuinely huge. Right now, a really broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which generally is very critical. Support really is a level at which purchasers generally become in every practical sense all the more genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large shows that the essentially complete exchanging volume especially remains at $31,315,169,849, exhibiting that however prior to plunging especially profound into the Avax specialized examination. In a real sense, let us truly discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which especially shows that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in a kind of significant manner. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers explicitly become move sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving, most certainly higher in an essentially enormous manner. Following really are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The in every practical sense, current torrential slide cost especially is $13.21, with an exchanging volume of $113,662,906 and the by and large beyond 24 hours, which for the most part, shows that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which explicitly is very critical. Right now, Avax really is somewhere near 0.16% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,567,328,725 United States dollars, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost examination for 13 July 2023, inside a very day-to-day time period, most certainly made sense of underneath. So similarly, opposition in every way that really matters is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving essentially higher incredibly. We utilize fundamentally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving sort of normal, EMA, to especially break down the future development of the torrential slide. Pretty further appearance how yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the Avax specialized examination. Truly let us basically discuss the especially current economic situations, which generally shows that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in an in every practical sense, significant way. While Avax's Williams %R marker generally is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal especially is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how torrential slide value examination Avax cost examination for 13 July 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time span, sort of made sense of beneath. So similarly, opposition generally is a level at which merchants certainly become move exceptionally dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they basically thought. The Avax United States dollar moving pretty normal union and uniqueness, MACD, marker, generally is showing an extremely present moment truly sell exceptionally signal, as the MACD line in every practical sense is moving underneath fundamentally signal line, which especially implies basically bears in a real sense are overwhelming on the look.